single video on Triller. So please, like, don't get mad at me if, like, if please don't get mad at me if I've given you false information. But I got that idea from Bryce Hall, and I clicked on the link in his bio, and it took me to this thing, and I totally did it. And yeah, and I kind of was suspicious of it at first, so I didn't do it. But so then I just went and downloaded Triller, like, through the App Store, and when I, like, opened it, it said, like, TikTok is being banned January 19th. Click here to save your data or something like that, to save your videos. So I clicked it, and it will ask you for, like, your phone number or your email that's linked to your... So TikTok is banned in Russia, my queen, but they took away the location services for the people in the US. Everybody else can do it except for us. So yeah. What was I saying though? Oh yeah. It'll ask you for your phone number or your email. Yeah, I'll pin those as soon as I hop off of here. I think I'm gonna, I am on Red Note because I was trying to put my drafts. I'm sorry. Wanna ban TikTok. Basically, I got you, queen. Basically, they don't actually want to ban TikTok. Like, this is why I strongly believe they don't actually want to ban TikTok. Like, they don't hate us. They want to own TikTok, so they're gonna threaten to ban it to get ByteDance to sell it, because in like the law, in the bill or whatever, it says like oh, it's a national security threat, so we have to own it. Basically they're saying we're gonna ban it unless ByteDance sells the platform to an American company, you know, which is why everybody's talking about Elon Musk or Mr. Beast buying it. But I don't think that they're gonna do that. I think that was a very shortly talked about thing. So yeah, so they're probably gonna take it away for a couple days, and then ByteDance is probably gonna sell it to America. That's probably what's gonna happen, honestly. Mark Zuckerberg is a robot. Yeah, I think everybody's gotten a little update, the little pop-up. You can follow me on YouTube. It is Else ASMR as my it's the same as my TikTok. Hi, TikTok. Oh, is that who I think it is? Hey, Queen. Hey, Kayla. Yeah, it's like low-key getting banned. Like low-key. My name is Veda. That is my name. That is my name. Great. Trump wants, yeah, like I assume, like he wants to own it. L is my first middle name, and when my boyfriend and I got together, or like when we became friends, like that's what he called me. And when I created this account, I didn't want my mother to find me, and I didn't want anybody that I went to high school with to find me, so I called it L's ASMR, and it also just, it's stuck because it rolls off the tongue so nice. L's ASMR, I love it. Like Beta's ASMR is cool, but I like L's ASMR. My stomach is growling. My stomach totally. My red note has Chinese and English on it for both parties. It is just me. There are not very many Americans that have two middle names. I am just one of those people. There are not many. It does happen though. It does happen though. I don't know. I use Bryce Hall link. Yeah, you got this. I just got an email that says like it's happened. So my boyfriend is Peruvian and Hawaiian and like Irish. My Triller is L's honestly, like, I love you guys, but I'm not gonna give you my full name. I feel like, can't you, like, I don't know. I feel like that's a bad idea. I just don't know what can happen with my full legal government name, so I'm just not gonna. You guys want some sleep? Some sleeves on that. Some sleeves. Some sleeves. Some sleeves on the mic. Elisa, girl. Elisa. Oh my god. It totally looks like Elisa. Like I totally see why you would think that. That makes so much sense. That is what they're saying. I honestly don't like scratching. Elisa. Yeah, it's definitely not Elisa. I honestly don't know. I really like my little stud. I had a hoop in a while back because I sorry, mine came out. So I needed to put one in to try it, and I didn't really care for it. Are you talking about this one? It does when you first get it pierced, but after it heals, it's not so bad. Thank you, Jessa. Thank you. I love that so much. I'm loving that energy. I appreciate that so much. I have some. Hi, dog. I'm sorry if I'm lagging.